dripping all over the counters. Now we're going to put some ranch and spread it on our pizza. Yummy! This looks so yummy. I love pizza. So now we're going to put the sauce on the pizza. Now we're going to put some onions on the pizza. We don't want to put onions. Oh no! We got stickies, not sticky boos. Let's break this in half. There. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Get that? We're going to put some olives because I love olives. But just a few, not all of them this time. Oh no, not this here. I'm going to clean up this mess that I made a little mess. Oh god. I'll do the red one because I really want to do the red one. Oh my god, oh my god. Put one there, put one there. No, next to that thingies. We're going to put all of the red ones, but we're going to put a little bit of the green ones and all of the red ones, okay? Look at this pizza. Okay, now the green bell peppers are done. Look at this, guys. Now we're putting on the spinach because spinach goes on pizzas, right? I'm going to eat one, okay? I want to eat one. These are very good for your body. Yeah. Now I'm going to put the mushrooms on the pizza. Put it around and around. But we're going to put this one. So we're going to put the mozzarella cheese first and then the cheddar cheese because they're both my favorite. So, oh my god, oh my god. We'll make a big mess. One more scoop. Now I'm going to put the cheddar cheese. We're going to bake this pizza at 425 degrees. Always ask a dad for help, otherwise your kid can get burned on their hand. So ask a dad for help, okay? Now the pizza is ready. If you want a little bit of flavor, you can add some Parmesan cheese. Let's go. How many should I add, Mama?
As many as you want.
So this veggie pizza is super yummy. You try it at home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And give this video a big thumbs up.